Amusement Park Renovation. Who should be assigned as the team leader? Crane! Crane, transform! Woohoo! Super Truck Team, let's set off! This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Truck Team, I'll count on you. No problem. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work. I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first. Let's secure the support first. The building of aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Yeah! The installation of Ferris wheel is completed! I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed. I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. I am the lawn spreader. I'm good at laying lawn. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I'm quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Thank you so much. Yay! There's an emergency. There's an emergency here. We need the truck team's help. Huh? Hi. I'm the excavator. I'll complete this task. Excavator, transform! Ho! Let's go! This large heap of sand is blocking the road. What should we do? I am the excavator. Let me help you shovel the sand. Yay! Let's start digging the sand. Task completed. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off. There's an emergency here. We need the truck team's help. Woohoo! I'm a crane. Count on me for this task. Crane, transform! Woohoo! Let's go! The vehicle fell into the pit. What should we do? I am the crane. Let me help you lift the vehicle. Yeah! Tie the vehicle with a rope before lifting it. Task completed. Whoa!